Students, in this video, we are going to study about LCM. LCM means lowest or least common multiple. That means we have to find a number, the lowest number which is divisible by both of these numbers. Okay. So we have three methods of finding out LCM. I was questioned by the three methods. You can do it with one method, whichever you feel like is more easier for you. So first method is prime factorization method. Factorization, we make factors of 93 and 124 individually. Okay, so we will start with 93. Now I have to check 93 comes in which table. You all have done divisibility rules in class 4. So I can see here 93 is having 3 on its ones place. So it cannot be divisible by 2. So for to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not, what will I do? I will add these digits. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. And 12 is a multiple of 3. That means this number is divisible by 3. So I will start dividing this number by 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now my next number is 31. 31 is a prime number. It doesn't come in table of any other number. So I divided 31 by 31 and I got 1. Now similarly, I will start doing it with 124. Look, 124 is having even number at its units place. That means at its ones place. So I will start dividing it by 3. So by 2, by 2. 2 6 are 12. I have taken both the numbers together. 2 6 are 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. And now 31 has come. Now 31 is a prime number. So I will divide it by 31. Now look, I have got factors of both 93 and 124. I will first of all take out the common factors out of these. So the common factors are 31. I can see only one common factor here. That is 31. So I will write 31 as it is. And after that, you remember that in HCF we only used to find the common factors. That means 31. So if I have to find HCF of these numbers, that is 31. But now in LCM, after taking out common number, I have taken this 31 as single number. And rest of the numbers which are there as factors, I will write them as it is. 31 multiply 2 multiply 3, I will write them up as it is. And now I will multiply them all. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 multiply 31 is 72. So this is the first method that I. Now look, in division method, we don't take the numbers individually. We put them in a same column. So I will not make two tables like which I have done earlier. Now I will write both the numbers in the same table. That is 93 and 124. I will put comma in between these numbers and I will write 93, 124. Now I will start dividing it by, I can see 124 can be divided by 2 and 93 can be divided by 3. So I will start with 2 first. 93 doesn't come in the table of 2. So I will write 2 as it is. Sorry, I will write 93 as it is. And I will start dividing 124. So if I divide 124 by 2, I will get 62. Okay. Now look again. 62 can be divided by 2. And 93 doesn't come in the table of 2. So I will write 93 as it is and start dividing it 62 by 2. And I have got 31. Look now, 90, now 31 is a prime number. I can't do anything with that. So now I will start dividing 93. I know 93 comes in the table of 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. And this is also 31. Now I will divide this number by 31 and I will get 31 1s are 31, 31 1s are 31. So at the end of division method, we have to make all the digits which are there in our question as 1. We have to complete it by putting 1 at the end. Okay. So now my LCM is completed by division method. So I will make out factors of this. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 31. And if I will solve it, I will get answer as 372, which earlier I was also getting 372 as my answer. So by whatever method I do, I will get the answer same, no worries. That is long division method. In this, for finding LCM, you first have to find HCF. You already have done the questions of HCF. So first of all, I have to find HCF and then I will come on LCM. So HCF of 93 and 124, I will start dividing it by, I will start doing it by long division method, which we have done earlier as well. I will write 124 as a dividend and 93 as my divisor. So after finding out HCF, we will now move on to LCM. So for finding LCM in this method, we have to find HCF first and then we will move on to LCM. Now I will take LCM of 124 and 93 and I will simply divide it by 31, that is the HCF which I have just bought. So I will start dividing it by 31. 31 4s is 124 and 31 3s is 93. Now look, the numbers which I have been left is 31, 4 and 3. All of these are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are those which do not have any factor as common in all of them. Look, 3, 4 and 31 doesn't come together as a common in any of the table. They do not come together in any table. 31, 4 and 3. So they are co-prime numbers. I can leave it like this only and I will start finding my LCM by multiplying these three numbers, that is 31, 4 and 3. Now if I multiply these numbers, I will again get 372 as my LCM. So now it's your wish which method you want to use. In future classes, I will tell you in senior classes, you will be using this and this method. These are usually common methods which are being used for finding LCM. This method is not that much common. So we preferably, I would say, preferably to use out of any method out of both of these. It will definitely going to help you in senior class.